Hey, I'm AD Dolphin, the CEO of Dherbs.com. Every single week, I get tons and tons of health questions. But this week, the leading question I got was women's health. And we're going to discuss what's fact and what's fiction. Hello, King Dolphin. I don't want to label myself a heavy drinker, but I can drink all my girlfriends under the table. When I hang out with some of my guy friends, though, it seems I can't hang with them at all. This frustrates me. And I'm curious, is it because alcohol affects men and women differently? Let me know when you have a free moment. Thanks, Gretchen. Gretchen, don't feel bad. This is an unfair match. This is a fact. In general, women process alcohol much slower than men. You guys can have the same weight. You could weigh 150 pounds. The guy can weigh 150 pounds, Gretchen, and you're gonna be affected a whole lot more than he is. Ladies, these are the reasons why you guys should not be drinking, at least not excessively. Look, it's gonna lower your fertility rate, so therefore, it's gonna make it harder for you to have a baby. Number two, it worsens the possibility of you having breast cancer. Nobody wants that. And lastly, menopausal effects. It worsens them. So therefore, if you're getting older in age, you definitely want to stay away from drinking because it's gonna make it so much harder on your body. Even if you drink it in moderation, it can affect your menstrual cycle, and that already sucks. Ladies, it's also been linked to increasing your levels of estrogen and also your levels of testosterone. I don't want to be a party pooper, but you shouldn't drink more than 2 to 3 glasses of alcohol a day. And trust me, that's more than enough. So slow it down. Next question. Hey AD, my grandfather just died, so I've been spending more time with my grandmother. According to her, all the women in our families have outlived the men, including husbands and siblings. Is this just the case for my family? Or do women really live longer than men? Thanks in advance, Sarah. Sarah, what a great question. And now that I think about it, I think the women always, at least in my family, the women tend to outlive the men all the time. Now, this sucks. But I did do a little research, and I guess it's due to lifestyle and biological factors. Women naturally live longer than men. So this is a fact. Women tend to live to 81.2 years, and men only live to 76.2 years. Men, we gotta do better. These can't be the reasons. One, they go to the doctor more than us. We can definitely do that. We gotta do that. Every time you think something's wrong, whether or not you believe it or not, take your butt to the doctor. See what's going on. Number two, they try to be healthier than us. We can try harder. We gotta do better. Man, I'm gonna go easy on you just a little bit. So after doing a little bit more research, it looks like we definitely do harder jobs. And we do. We do more physical labor, so therefore it takes a greater toll on our body. But now the last one, we definitely can do better on this. We tend to smoke more than women. Let's put down those cigarettes, put down that nicotine, and make healthier choices. The more and more I keep reading this, it really sucks to be a man. After the age of 65, our body stops producing B cells. And the B cells are necessary because those fight the bacteria and the virus that we come in contact with. Yes, finally, good news, you guys. Well, I don't know if it's really good news because I don't want anybody to be affected, but it looks like women get high blood pressure earlier than men, and also their blood vessels tend to age a whole lot faster. But unfortunately, women definitely outlive men in every society. So I guess it just sucks to be us. Next question. What's up, AD? I know this may seem weird, but I like sleeping with a bra on. I know most women like to let the girls go free when they go to bed, but that's not my style. Lately though, I've been hearing some things about how sleeping in a bra increases the risk of breast cancer. Is this true or false? Please let me know as soon as you can. Thanks, Brenda. Brenda, this is such a great question. What's fact, what's fiction, bra, no bra? God, I'm reading the information and I've done tons of research on this. It looks like it is, it isn't. To be honest, I'm a little unsure, but unfortunately, there's not enough evidence that proves it to go either way. So right now, we're gonna just say it's fiction. It's kind of built upon the whole theory that it's going to affect your lymphatic drainage. For those of you who don't know what lymphatic drainage is, basically that's your body's way of removing toxins and waste from your body. If it's not draining as it should, then therefore your body is accumulating this waste. And if this debris and this waste isn't eliminated from your body, it puts you more at risk of having cancer. But unfortunately, there are no studies that prove that. But they have done studies on this, Brenda. Sleeping with a bra can affect your sleep-wake cycle. So if you're trying to get better sleep, don't wear the bra. Thanks for watching Fact or Fiction. And you know what I'm about to say. Hit the subscribe button. I need more followers. And also, if you have any questions or concerns, you can leave it in the comment section, or you can email us at factorfiction@dherbs.com. See you next week.